In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch from Yahoo Mail to Gmail. Transitioning your email service might seem a bit daunting, but I'll walk you through each step to make the process as smooth and simple as possible. Let's start by making sure you have a Gmail account ready. If you don't already have one, head over to the Gmail website and click on the Create Account button. Follow the prompts to set up your new Gmail account. It's straightforward, but ensure you use a strong, memorable password for security purposes. Once you've created and logged into your new Gmail account, let's transfer your emails from Yahoo Mail to Gmail. To do this, you'll need to log into your Gmail account and locate the gear icon on the top right corner. When you click the gear icon, you'll see a menu. Choose See All Settings. This will take you to the Settings page. Next, navigate to the Accounts and Import tab, which is where the magic happens. You'll find the option Import Mail and Contacts. Click on this to start the transfer process. A new window will pop up, guiding you through the steps. Here, you're prompted to type in your Yahoo Mail address where it says, "What account do you want to import from?" Enter your full Yahoo email address and hit Continue. At this point, you might be asked to sign into your Yahoo account. This is necessary for Gmail to access your emails and contacts securely. Once you sign in, you'll need to grant permission for Gmail to access your Yahoo Mail account. Go ahead and allow access to continue. The next screen will let you choose what you want to import. You'll have options to select emails, contacts, and even new mail for the next 30 days. This feature is especially handy to ensure you don't miss any incoming emails that might still reach your Yahoo address. Select the options that suit your needs and hit Start Import. Now, the process of importing emails and contacts begins. This might take some time, depending on how many emails and contacts you have. Don't worry if it takes a few hours or even up to a couple of days. Gmail will do its thing in the background, and you can continue to use your Gmail account in the meantime. While Gmail is importing your emails, it might be a good time to notify your contacts about your new email address. You can craft an email directly in Gmail, letting friends, colleagues, and other contacts know about the change to help ensure future messages reach you in the new inbox. Finally, you may want to set up email forwarding from Yahoo to Gmail to catch any stragglers. In Yahoo Mail, go to your settings and look for Mail Forwarding. Enter your new Gmail address and save the changes. By doing this, you ensure you won't miss any important emails during your transition. Congratulations, you've successfully switched from Yahoo Mail to Gmail. Enjoy the new features and clean interface that Gmail offers, and remember to explore its various productivity tools once you've settled in.